recently, you see so many Telugu movies are becoming pan-India.
Yeah.
So you must be watching in Hindi now, no language barrier. So recently you love watching, you watch.
No, I didn't watch anything, but the partly cut scenes that come on Facebook and everything, na?
Which are the movies recently you would like to name them? The movies.
Bahubali.
Okay, you saw the
Only
full.
scene wise.
Okay, scene wise. Okay, Bahubali and second Telugu movie.
No, after that I didn't see.
You didn't see Pushpa. You
No, I didn't see.
didn't. Why you're not watching movies? Tell me.
I'm not a movie buff like other people are.
You're not.
No.
So in your free time, you're just with the music. What do you do?
I'm just with my singing.
That's it.
That's it. I'm just to myself. I'm not into movies.
And what is your daily routine? I would love to know when you get up, what you do whole day. What do you do?
I get
Tell
up
me
at-
your return.
I get
your
up
routine.
at 5 o'clock in the morning, have my tea, then have my bath, get ready. Then if I want, I watch holy serials like Shri Krishna Ramanand Sagar. I
Okay.
begin my day with that. Then later, I record some recordings
Okay.
on Starmaker.
Okay. Then
And then after my phone is out of charging,
Hmm.
I leave my phone for some time to charge.
okay. Then whole day. I want your whole day routine.
And I spend time with my mother. Then I
Gossiping.
No, no,
or
no.
talking something. Okay.
No, she's busy making calls, but I sit with her.
Okay. Okay. Then
So on her phone, we watch 1 or 2 videos, and then her phone goes down with battery. So
okay. Next.
No
Where
stress.
is breakfast? Where is lunch? Where is
I
dinner?
have it sometimes before my bath, sometimes after my bath.
Okay. So what's your favorite food?
Whatever is given to me, not specifically,
Nothing.
nothing.
You don't have anything. Ki, oh, I would love
no,
to.
I'm not like other girl. I'm not a
Not-
choosy person. Whatever is given, I'm having at home.
Anything. So you cook? You love cooking?
I love cooking, but don't know how to cook.
You want to eat, right?
Yeah.
But sometimes you feel like, I want rajma chawal, I want this
No,
paratha.
not
nothing.
at all. Whatever she gives me, I'm okay with it.
Okay, so she cooks everything for you.
She doesn't know how to cook, but whatever she makes is a class apart. I would sacrifice a hotel's food to eat her food.
That much tasty food she makes.
Yeah.
I must
I'm
say.
being open.
Yeah.
Sorry, मारना है तो मार लेना बाद में.
No. It's good you revealed. So now next time, before coming here, I'll tell her you make this for me. every mother is a good cook.
Sorry, my doll.
Oh, what she's saying is wrong. I've never ever in my life.
You're cooking noodles. You're cooking roti. You're cooking bread anda. You're cooking eggs.
We should know this conversation with mother.
नहीं बोलने दो ना यार.
बोलो यार, कौन रोक रहा है?
See, in my school, all my classmates used to bring माँ का बना हुआ खाना. We used to, na, mom must have told you कि we had servants and everything was being cooked. So मुझे माँ के हाथ का खाना तब स्कूल में नहीं मिला. अभी मिल रहा है तो I'm enjoying it.
Exactly, true. So Pooja, let's come something very important. Your mother is a single parent. Your brother is having injuries and he's going through some tough time.
Yeah.
How you wanted to support your family and work-wise? How you want to gather?
I want to really earn well so that at least his physiotherapy, his wheelchair, everything, if I can single-handedly afford, she needn't do anything. She can sit easily at home.
That's why I want this video to spread and that you need the work, right? Are you ready to take the work? Why the lack of things are not happening in your life? Are you trying for something and not able to get? I want you to open it on that. So
if
that
I open it, I will be killed at home. So let it
why? Because see, no. I'll tell you one thing. You know Neena Gupta?
be. Yeah.
Yeah, the actress. There was a time when she was not getting work. And in the Twitter, she said, I'm looking for a work. And after that, she was getting plenty of work. So there is no harm of asking. See, we have to apply for a job. We have to call the company, right? Even if in my case, if I do 100 of good interviews, I have to call my boss and ask, I'm looking for a job. So it's never a harm to ask what you're looking, right? So please tell with whom you want to work, what kind of work you're looking forward, and what you can deliver. I think this you need to say that.
I love to sing. I can't live without singing. If I get a chance, I won't leave that app Star Maker. I love singing that much.
So are you looking for a work?
Yeah.
Right now you have a work. Right now.
No,
You
trying
can
hard.
say. Please say. Be open.
No, if I be open, I'll be killed, I'm telling you.
Who will kill you? No, if you want to work, let's be open. Yeah.
मुझे आपसे पढ़ने वाली है, मैं ज्यादा खुल रही हूँ ना, आप मुझे मार देना.
Pooja. See, when you need something, you have to express. So right now, nothing is in your plate, right? Be
Yeah.
frank. So please express.
I'm worried about two things right now: her health and his treatment. I don't want to spend 1 rupee on myself. I don't care about spending on myself. His treatment, his wheelchair. She also is having breathing problems, so I want to get her operated.
So that's what I'm saying. That you need to do all this without money, you can't do, right? And for that, you don't need any sympathy. You have a talent. So that's what I'm saying. Just request and say you are looking for a work. And if it's in Telugu or Bollywood or something, wherever you are, you're ready. And what you can deliver, that's what I'm saying. Say it. Come on. That you want to do something
Good
for your
afternoon to
family.
everybody. I basically need singing and music work, and I'm not able to run my family because I'm getting worried about my mother. She has health issues, and I have to pay for my brother's treatment also. So I request you all to please support me and please help me earn money
To
for
get
my
work.
family.
See, you're not begging, you're asking for a work. That's your right. So, what you can do, please tell me. What kind of work are you looking?
I like to do romantic songs.
Oh my God!
I'm
That's a good
romantic
one.
person.
So, you want to sing romantic songs.
Yeah.
That's also a great thing. And devotional, you love doing devotional songs?
Yeah.
You sing devotional songs, mantras and everything?
Yes.
Please, let's have little bit of it. I think Ganesh का पहले होना चाहिए था. Actually, before interview or starting something good. Because when
गणपतये नमो नमः श्री अष्टविनायक नमो नमः सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः गणपति बप्पा मोरया
एक और गा दो, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
गणनायकाय गणदेवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि. That's all.
Okay. And what kind of chanting or spirituality or mantra you do in your daily
I
life?
like Vishnu Sahasranam.
Okay. So can we have something? I mean, if shloka you would like to say?
No.
No? No mantras?
Because no, I don't want to bring God in an interview where he is not needed also. Because
Okay.
जहाँ जो चीज़ की ज़रूरत हो वहाँ वही बोलना चाहिए.
Okay.
I'm that kind of a person.
Great. But one thing, Pooja, I wanted, because nowadays we think spirituality comes after 50s, after 60s.
No,
I think this is
not
a wrong
at
myth.
all. Should I
That-
tell you one
please.
reality?
Hmm.
I'm spiritual since my childhood with my grandmother, with my mother's mother. I've watched Ramayana, I watched Sri Krishna, I watched Mahabharata.
So I think from childhood we need to get into this spirituality, right?
We need
According to you, what is spirituality? What kind of a spirituality follower
We
you
don't
are?
need a temple for spirituality. We can sit anywhere and take any god's name.
Okay, that's your
We
way.
don't need to go to a temple every day. If we keep God in our heart, and if our heart is clean enough that God is ready to stay, because nowadays the world is bad.
I know. So what kind of a spirituality follower you are?
I am a completely devotional person when it comes to God. I can take his name anywhere, any part of the day, middle of the night, anytime.
That's great. That's great. So I wanted something which is, open eyes. In your life, you has any moment where is an eye opener for you, a learning lesson for you?
Where I saw my mother suffering from her breathing problem, and when my childhood she was admitted in the hospital for this. She was being given saline at home. So that was an eye opener for me that किसी के साथ कुछ भी हो सकता है.
That's the true thing. What a line you said. Do you have some memories of your father?
No.
Father, because I heard when your father when passed away, it was 1.5 years. You were
Yeah, I
small.
never saw him actually after.
And the photos, did
No.
she your father?
No, I never got the time to see albums because I was into school, I was into studies, I was into him, I was into my toys, so I never got the time.
Your mother used to share something with you because you're the daughter who
No,
she can connect to.
I too never asked her anything.
Nothing in your life. You
No, I
asked
never
her.
asked her anything because that is her private personal issue. I don't have the right to know it.
Okay, so you never asked how my father was.
No, I
what
needn't
kind of
know.
relation he had.
No, I needn't know such stuff because such stuff should be till your mother only. It shouldn't come to you because you're their children. You shouldn't be affected with what is going on between them.
Wow, what a kind of maturity level you have, Pooja. Loved you for this. So, I mean, it's a long talk, lot of things to discover with you, and I think in this interview, I learned so much from you. Really, the
It's not
inspiration
about
you.
it's not about learning. It's about being so mature that you know what has to be asked to your mother and what is not to be asked to your mother.
Yes. We always think, oh, mother is there, we can ask everything.
नहीं सब कुछ नहीं पूछना because there are something private issues between a husband wife
Yes.
that you needn't know.
Yes. Do you believe in like relationships, not in other way, like have you had a good relation with your mother, you had a good relationship with your brother? How you take this relationship nowadays when you see it? I don't know how many friends you have, they must be discussing their issues with you about the
Yeah,
disturbed
they
relation.
do. Yeah, they do. They do share it with me. But I tell them take God's name. That's all I can do for them because if I give them wrong guidance and their parent gets wrong guidance from me, why should I get into all that?
So what relationship, 3 things you believe
I
one should
believe
do?
in 3 things that sit with your mother, talk to her, know about the things, and if you are not supposed to know about some things, don't find it out.
And other things, another 2, like 3 things I want that in a relationship you should follow.
Be open, be frank, and if you doubt somebody, ask that person, is it the thing that I am thinking in my mind?
Wow, great. So I just want to know, we'll end up this interview because so much I have discovered, and I want that very soon you should sing a good Telugu song. You should get a good offers, and one day you should call me or your mother that Pooja is going to sing this song, romantic
I
song.
would like to give all the parents one message.
Please.
That if you are getting separated or you are having problems between you, don't involve your children. Keep it to yourself and let your children do what they want.
True. Pooja, I must say the kind of exposure you have I can't imagine, you were just into your life, in your music, and the kind of knowledge you have, it's great. The
You have
maturity
to have, see, experience of your life, different things that happened in your life teach you a lot of things.
True.
Different situations in your life are the answer to the question of your tomorrow.
True. I must say, Pooja, you're a great girl. Great, keep going. And I was just seeing a magazine where your cover page has come. Can you reveal about that? I mean, something on
They
the
got in
US.
touch with my mother, some foreign number.
Okay.
That's what I was revealed about from my mother.
Okay.
So foreign number
Came.
messaged her and they talked about me. Then they had a call talk and then they did that interview.
Can we just see the magazine? I think this was a great opportunity and honor on the cover page, on the US magazine internationally. So internationally, you've been recognized more. How foreigners connect with you? Have you been connected with the people who are staying in other countries? Like, have you been talking to them and how they give you compliments? Would you like to share on that?
Everybody says only one word to my mother. Wow, your daughter is talented.
I want the camera should see this magazine. She's on the US magazine cover, which is a proud moment for all Indians, that she been, when it was 2020, it's not been long. It's been a great journey, I must say. So I think it's a very proud moment for all the Indians, I must say. So what they have written is Dr. Priya Neelam Kapoor. Pooja. No, they have written Pooja. Pooja Neelam Kapoor. And the goddess of music on earth. It was a great statement what they have given you, Great line.
As long as it makes my mother
I'm proud
happy,
of you.
As long as it's making my mother happy, I'm also happy.
No, it's a very proud moment for all the Indians to know that. So Pooja, I had a great journey with you. Would you like to end up with some Telugu song?
No, I don't know much.
Something. Shairi.
Yeah, I'll do.
You can't leave. I can't leave you, Pooja, with this. Something on
इश्क
शायरी.
के बारे में पूछते हो गालिब, इश्क के बारे में पूछते हो गालिब, हमसे ये पूछो कि इश्क ने हमें कब ठुकराया नहीं।
इरशाद इरशाद इरशाद, आगे और चाहिए।
इश्क के गलियारे से खाली हाथ लौटे हैं, इश्क के गलियारे से खाली हाथ लौटे हैं, लोग पूछते हैं मुंह छुपा कर क्यों लौटे हो, अब क्या बताएं साहब, कितने यार से हम मुंह छुपा छुपा कर लौटे।
बाप रे बाप, कमाल है आप। You write, I mean, you make poetries also on your own? Like, on your own you design? Just now you made this? मैंने तो नहीं सुनी अभी तक।
Yeah, just now.
Just now. ऐसी poetries कितनी बना चुके हैं आप? मतलब how many you have made on
I
the
don't
spot?
make it on regular basis.
Like
I make
on
it
the
for
spot.
only
On the spot you
interviews.
make. On the spot. I think the work should be given to you and you'll just finish on the spot, right?
Yeah.
Great, keep going. I mean, I must say, I want you to do something wonders in your life. More already you have done, but I think it's a long way, Pooja, really. And I think this kind of a talent needs to be on the sky. Sky should be a limit for you, right?
I
Right?
don't need the sky. I want to be a free bird who can fly on its own.
Yeah, Pooja, you every day, yeah. This is what? ये इनकी शायरी है?
I had written for Sushant Singh Rajput.
Arey, why you not just exploring and saying me all this? I think this should be done. What a shairi for Sushant Singh. If you have written something, please say. Please.
To all Sushant Singh Rajput fans and to late Sushant Singh Rajput sir, I would like to dedicate you something that I wrote and my mother copied it in her diary.
Please do that.
आज
इधर देख के बोलो.
नहीं पढ़ना पड़ेगा याद
Okay.
नहीं।
You don't remember, darling?
No.
Okay,
On the
चलो.
spot
ठीक है,
करके
बोलो.
भूल जाती हूँ।
ठीक है, बोलो.
आज मैं महज एक किस्सा हूँ, आज मैं महज एक किस्सा हूँ, मैं कल एक कहानी बन जाऊंगा, आज मैं बहुतों का हूँ, कल गुजरा हुआ अतीत बन जाऊंगा, आज एक मेहमान बनकर मैं सबके दिलों में रहता हूँ, तो कल कब्र पर पड़ा एक सूखा सा फूल बन जाऊंगा।
बाप रे बाप, ये तो आपने मतलब ऐसे ना रोमते. You made me shivering, यार पूजा. Really.
I wanted to speak on Sushant Singh Rajput also, but I never got a chance.
Please do that.
I want to tell ED, I want to tell whoever's investigating on his case that आज he is the actor, he made himself. वो जो भी बने अपने दम पर बने और उनका मर्डर हुआ कल को, तो all of us are unsafe if he can be murdered. All of us are unsafe in India and we should respect outsider actors in India. We should acknowledge their hard work कि वो अपने दम पर कुछ बने.
True. So you want the justice to be
I
done.
want justice for Sushant Singh Rajput and I want the culprits arrested.
Pooja, thank you so much spending a lot of time with me and sharing your beautiful journey with me. And you were so open, very natural. I must say, whomsoever have given this compliment to you that you are a natural person, it's true. You have just didn't made me feel like
Because of my favorite singer, that's all. I am who I am. Otherwise, I was in that kind of condition that nobody is able to also talk. Itni,
so Zubain made you talk, you would like to say that?
yeah, he made me who am I today. If I am confident because of his voice, him being there. हाँ ठीक है, I agree, he's not around me. Every day he doesn't talk to me. But his songs made me the person who am I today.
Such a magic can happen with a song. I never experienced that. I mean, the journey, I've never heard about this, which you
He
made
makes
me
me
heard.
every day. And whenever I record his songs, खराब mood भी ठीक हो जाता.
अच्छा. कोई ऐसा song है? You are in a bad mood और next time हम वो song चला देंगे.
All songs,
Which
all.
way? one particular song when you are in a very bad mood और हमको
तेरी
पूजा-
गलियों से, which I sang earlier.
Okay, that one. So nothing, no Telugu song you would like to say? Something for the actors?
No, अगर if I knew any Telugu song, I would
And
have.
even Telugu actors, you know? I mean,
I
Allu
know-
Arjun, you know, who are like...
I only liked one actor because I heard his conversation in videos that my mother watches.
Okay.
I like Junior NTR.
Junior NTR. Oh, okay. So have you seen his movie, anything?
No, I only come across his interviews and him talking. So उनके बात करने का स्टाइल बड़ा अच्छा लगता है.
You love his way of
Talking.
talking. That's it. anything you would like to say more, because it's good if Junior NTR will be listening this video.
Sir,
He should listen more about him.
సార్ నాకు మీరు చాలా ఇష్టం ఉన్నారు, నేను కలవటం చాలా ప్రయత్నం చేసుకున్నాను.
Okay. And tell that I would love to sing a song for your movie, romantic song.
మీతోటి కలవాలంటే నేను ఆలోచించుకుంటున్నాను ఎట్లా కలవాలి, మీకోసం ఒక పాట పాడాలి మీ ఫిలింలో, ఆ డ్రీమ్ ఉంది సార్ నాకు, ఒకసారి కలవండి ప్లీజ్ సార్ గారు.
So sweet. So sir का एक song भी गा दो ना ताकि अच्छा होने लगे जूनियर एनटीआर का.
नहीं, मैंने उनकी सिर्फ, मैं आई एम नॉट लाइंग, सिर्फ इंटरव्यूज और हर जगह शोज में बातें देखी हैं, पर बात करने का जो स्टाइल है, लहजा है,
That's the way he talk.
हाँ, सो वही पसंद आया. गाने कभी
You have not seen his dance steps or nothing?
No, nothing at all. I'm impressed by him talking.
Right, I mean वो भी था ना RR का song,
था,
बहुत
but-
नाथू.
हाँ, but I didn't surf it on YouTube or hear it very frequently.
So you didn't see the steps and song नाथू नाथू नाथू, no? You
हाँ,
didn't heard?
वायरल्स में ही खाली देखा है और कहीं नहीं देखा.
So you must have heard that song, right? नाथू नाथू.
Half only.
How much?
This first line which you said.
Please do that.
Natu, 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 natu. That's all. Sorry.
Why sorry, yaar?
Sorry.
It's come on, you need to delegate this video for Junior NTR, sir, right?
Sir, ఒకసారి కలవండి.
He sees all the videos, you know. He's,
సార్ ఒకసారి కలవండి, ఒక ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నాను నేను కలవటంకి, దయచేసి కలవండి సార్ గారు, మీ చాలా మంచిగా మాట్లాడతారు కదా, నా కోసం కూడా చేయండి ప్లీజ్.
My God, you speak so good language, Pooja. You are giving me shocks. You are giving me shocks every time, you know. मैं यहाँ पे फिनिश करने, I always think to finish my interview here, second you give me something else, I am trying to finish here, third you give me something else. You are a break even. I can't break you, man. I cannot break
आज
you.
जो पूछना है पूछ लो. I am sitting.
No, but the way you're coming up with the things, I mean, I can't imagine. You are doing this interview, I'm feeling like you know, I never planned that you
No, I'm
have
getting a
such
chance.
a feeling for stars, whomsoever you respect and watch. The way of respecting is great, Pooja. You are a real artist, I must say.
We
Because
must
you-
respect whatever work they are doing. Okay, they are actors, they are singers, they are any profession, but they are doing it to earn respect. One, to earn money. Two, तो फिर अगर उनको respect ही नहीं मिलेगी, तो फिर whatever money they are earning, what use is it for?
Wow. Okay, if he meets you, if your dream come true to meet Junior NTR Garu, what first thing you will do and what will you are planning? One day before, we'll tell you, okay, Junior NTR Garu is coming and meeting you. What will be your preparation plan? Or he'll spend a one day with you.
I won't talk the whole day. I'll hear him talk. I'll want him to literally brainwash me to how to go about things. So I would like to only sit and hear him talk because he talks so well. I wouldn't like
But
to
you have to
interview.
ask questions, darling. You have to ask questions.
No, I won't ask anything. I'm that kind of a natural person. I'll just hear his voice, hear him talk.
That's it. That will be your plan for the whole day.
Yeah.
If he plan a one day time or to spend with you, you'll just tell him, sir, you keep talking.
Yeah, I want to know him because I like his way of talking. I have expressed that. But I want to know him completely as a human being, as a person. How is he? What he does.
Would you like to do interview of Junior NTR Garu if opportunity given?
No. No, I can't because I watched Nayak movie and I can't interview anybody. I'm not a journalist.
Come on.
No.
So you want to hear him, at least you need to ask some questions to him, right?
No, I just want him to reveal what a person in real life he is because media tells everything to us that even मतलब जो भी नहीं है वो भी media बोल देता है, correct? That I don't want to hear whatever media says. I want to hear it directly from the person. Okay, media is telling about me this. This is true or this is false.
Okay, so you want the clarities issues also. Get some clarity.
I don't want media telling me about
Junior
let
NTR.
it be Jubin, let it be Junior NTR, let it be any favorite. why should media tell me? I want to ask the person directly, okay, are you like this? Why is media talking about you like this?
Is there anything you heard about Junior NTR Garu? Anything in talking media about it? I never heard it. I mean, if you can give me information.
No, mom opens her YouTube na, so reels come there. So उधर काफी कुछ उल्टा आता है, तो I get really annoyed
Ulta
with
to
them.
kuch bhi, I mean, what kind of ulta?
Like, for example, some media is bringing up some video of him misbehaving with somebody and something. That I don't like. I want a clarification directly from him, not from the media. Okay, I didn't do this way. This was mistyped by the media.
But I never heard anything wrong about him, I think, till now.
Even I have not heard.
Even your Zubain and Shreya Ghosal, ma'am. There was nothing, anything. We
He's not
heard
a wrong person.
Yeah.
He last year, this is 24 now, 22, 23, he injured this hand.
Who?
Jibin.
Okay. Okay, you get all information about
Yeah,
it.
he injured this hand.
So let's come back one more thing. If you get a chance to spend whole day with Zubin, what will be your plan of
I
action?
will sing all his songs with him. I will.
You will sing with him?
Yeah.
Okay, finally. At least Junior NTR, you are just telling him to sit and talk. But at least Zubin, you
Yeah,
will... Haan,
Jubin I can sing all day with all his songs.
all day.
All
So
day.
you'll make him sit and you will sing then.
Yeah.
He should listen to you. Right?
I'll sing with him because I'm no match to him. He's only my star. He's only my life.
Right. And what about Shreya Ghosal? What you will do with her whole day?
I want to hear her voice.
Huh?
This is Amrit.
Okay, so finally you'll give her a chance to sing and you will listen. Wow, I mean, that's a great thing what you're planning, and I think these all things issues should come to your plate. And I wish that you will be successful a lot. You'll be getting a good work very soon. My initiatives will be there. Your talent has no barriers. I think they're out of boundaries.
One thing
What do
I'm
you have?
wanting
Please.
that whoever is listening to me, please help me cure my brother. I want him on his feet and I want a good wheelchair also for him. Please help us cure my brother, and I want him walking like other boys walk and enjoy their life.
No, he will do that. That day will come in your life very soon. Prayers always get. Some delays are there, but it will be fulfilled.
And I want my mother's breathing issue cured. So I'll go to any extent to cure her and make her life beautiful.
That's true. Your wishes are wonderful. That will be taken
I don't
care
want
of.
to. I'm telling openly on camera. I don't want to spend 1 rupee on me. I want to spend on others. I want to
They are
spend
not
on
your
them.
others. They are your...
Yeah, including my family, even the needy on road also. I want to spend money on them. I want to give food to them. I want to give them shelter. I want to do everything. But I don't need to do for myself.
That's great. You should get a good work. We'll make sure. Thank you so much, Pooja. It's a great journey. You've taken me on a great journey of success, up and downs.
One message can I give Shubin?
Please do that.
Shubin sir, I really adore you.
Who?
एक chance दे दो.
Who?
एक ही chance
Which
दे दो.
whom you're asking?
मुझे
किसको पूछ रहे हैं आप?
जुबिन.
जुबिन. अच्छा, जुबिन.
एक चांस दे दो मुझे, एक बार आप सुन लो. आप भले ही जिंदगी भर मुझसे बात मत करो. Give me just one chance to express myself to you.
My God, full strongly you're putting your hands. He will listen. Don't worry.